guys, we are back and we have today our Grumpy Bear. We have this little Minnie Mouse that we got on clearance last year. And then we have the Chucky and Tiffany inflatable. So we're going to unbox these and see what they look like. Oh, look at, he's so cute.
His little hair.
His little hair.
Look at the bolt.
There he is. That didn't take long at all. You could see here he's holding like a little, like a candy bag. He's dressed like Frankenstein. Ooh, scary. And he's got his awesome hair. You could see the bone. You could see the bolts. You could see the scarring, I guess, from where he was stitched up. And his little heart knows because he's a cutie Care Bear. And let's see if he has the Care Bear. There it is, the Care Bear heart on the butt. Heart on the butt. So cute. All right, now let's see how Minnie comes out. So we bought this one on clearance and we forgot to unbox it. So whoops.
It was probably half the price now.
It's probably half. It was probably half price. It couldn't have been that old because you could see the price is $34.98 on the, and that looks like Walmart. So I'm sorry I don't have more information on this one. But I figure it doesn't matter. Let's just see what she looks like. Very pretty Minnie. I don't think that they had the Mickey available. If not, we would have had both. Yeah, she's so cute. Oh, look at this Minnie. I like this style of Minnie. It's so cute.
Like an old school one.
Yeah. You can see her little eyelashes and her bow for her witch hat, and then she has her little dress, and then her little high heels, her signature Minnie Mouse high heels. Very cute. I really like this one. I'm so sad I don't have the Mickey though. What's this back here? Oh, it's just a
like
cape.
a cape.
It's a cape. Oh, so cute. All right, well, up next is something not so cute. It's the Chucky and Tiffany. It's like a set. So this one was also $94. It didn't have a base. It doesn't have a base fan. It's just like two of them, kind of like this, put together. And so we just have to. Oh yeah, I mean it inflates pretty good. And they're little, they're not too big, but for 90, I think 94 was kind of a lot. I think it could have been more like $60. Look, there's Tiffany. Like double the price of the other one. Look, they're holding hands. So they're holding hands right there. You could see here's Chucky with his face and his little good guy's outfit, and then here's Tiffany with her big eyes, and then you could see she has a little necklace. Very cute. So she's dressed. Oh, her little foot is not popped out. There we go. Very cute. So let me do a pan over all of the new ones we just unboxed. So here, Chucky Tiffany. We have this awesome Care Bear. I love him. And then this super cute Minnie. Now from these four guys, which one do you think is your favorite? Well, I guess it's actually three. But anyway, let me know which one you like the best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.